Racing just is started. We have Conquista Boy. Break quickly at the start. Down on the inside, Showmaster Balik. Balik. Then comes Masaganang Ani. Panamera. Next online is Black Label Gold Bracelet. Bonjour Smart and Noble Golden Jewel Copacabana is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Balik. This time by about 3 lengths. Conquista Boy in second. Masaganang Ani is done in third. Showmaster is racing in fourth. Black Label is done on the inside. Panamera, Bonjour, Smart and Noble Golden Jewel Copacabana is still racing in less. Inside the 3 octavo, we have Balik. Bayerling Kenny Hapa, Conquista Boy in second, Black Label in third, Showmaster is on the outside, Masaganang Ani, Panamera comes next, Bonjour Smart and Noble Copacabana, while Golden You now racing in 11th, and as they swing for home, Balik, Bayerling, and on the outside now is Conquista Boy, Black Label is down on the inside, last 100 meters, Balik, Conquista Boy is running by the rail, Balik, followed by Conquista Boy. And finally, it's Balik, Conquista Boy, Black Label, Showmaster, Panamera, and Bonjour.
Quite a scare coming from Conquista Boy.